Hey guys, this is Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. This is Starfish's once a month segment where I talk about marketing tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help you grow your business's online presence. And today specifically, I actually want to talk about the 5 reasons that you should invest in a CRM if you actually aren't actively using a CRM, and how it can help benefit your business and keep track of your campaigns as well as manage your customers. As anyone who's tried to manage a group project, they know that organization is key. So why would your business and marketing be any different when it comes to managing your customers and your customer base and potential customers? And the first reason that I would like to cover is actually communication, which is the pure and whole purpose of a CRM, which is a customer relationship management platform. So simply put, CRM is what we use to keep track of anything and really everything to do with a customer. It's no stretch to imagine that one of the most important benefits of a CRM is improved communication with your customers. Communication is key when it comes to running a business, especially when it comes to running online businesses or interacting with your customers online. So it gives us the tools that we need to keep an open line of dialogue between you and your customers and your potential customers. It gives you the ability to keep track of all of your communication with your client as a business and gives you the ability to build a profile on that customer base. In this profile, you're able to keep track of all the info that you've gathered on an individual and the customers through their time with your business. See how long that they've been a customer, what purchases that they've made, and also keep track of their purchasing journey as they've had time with your business. This means ease of access to any relevant info that you may have on your customer while effectively communicating with that particular client. Another great reason of why you need a CRM is actually automation. So as we know that moving into 2023 and trends in 2022 and 2021, and then especially following the pandemic in 2020, we've come to understand that automation is a really big component in effectively running a business and keeping up with communicating with your customers as well as marketing to your customers. So if you're not actively participating in automation with your company, then a CRM can actually help you do that. So it's important that lines of communication are not only open, but they're active and readily available. However, a customer might reach out to you outside of business hours, and this may make it harder for you to be able to interact with that customer if you don't have employees readily available to interact, or if it happens past business hours. This is where the benefit of automation actually comes into play. It allows communication to continue where no one may be at the company, and it also helps you to be able to reply in a timely manner to your customers. So examples of automation could be appointment reminders or text messages sent to your customers thanking them for their business. You can even send messages or email campaigns asking for reviews. You can even send billing information through automation and invoices. So this is a really great way to help you reduce on labor and menial tasks that a bot can actually handle for you. It can also be used as a nurturing tool to help you guide customers down the funnel line. By providing a steady drip of messages, they're more likely to remember your business in the long haul because you've set up an effective nurture campaign and that you continue to remind them that your business is here and that you do value them as a loyal customer. The third reason why a CRM is super critical to your business is actually analytics. So with current day marketing, we are able to actually track how we are running campaigns online when you are actively engaging in social media strategies, as well as maybe email marketing strategies, or even through platforms like Google and other search related platforms, or really any online advertising campaign. even your website analytics as well. So your CRM can actually keep track of all of these analytics for you in one place versus having to jump around to all the different platforms and all the different places where analytics may be tracked. So a CRM gives you a comprehensive reporting of all of your online marketing. It helps you to be able to see your leads, see your site traffic, your sales, and much more. Many CRM platforms have built-in analytic tools to help you understand how your ads are, how effective they are, and if they're working, or if anything needs improvement, or if you need to optimize in any way. Again, a CRM helps you gather the data on your customers and potential customers, but it can be hard to know what to do with that info. So many CRM platforms will actually teach you how to best use that customer data and actually help to use that data to increase your sales. The fourth reason of why you need a CRM to help run your business is actually that a CRM does work as a central hub. For the many reasons that we've already listed, this is actually a great and probably one of the most defining reasons of why you really need a CRM. Running a business is difficult, and keeping it organized and keeping everything that you're doing online, plus managing that communication with customers, it's really important to have one single spot where you can really manage and keep track of everything that you're doing. It's definitely one of the greatest draws of having a CRM, and the fact that it does act as a central hub for not just your communication, but your marketing efforts. It really does solidify why you should be investing in a CRM. And through these platforms, you're able to keep track of your customers and keep records of all communication plus sales, and operate and manage, of course, like we've stated, all your marketing. And you can also run reports, and you can see what's working and what's not. And that's a very critical piece of running and operating a business. Having all of your operations in one platform, it does cut down on confusion, and of course, constantly swapping through many platforms to see what's actually going on. It does help everything operate smoother, and it definitely cuts down on you having to spend time switching between 60 or 100 different platforms and everything that you may use to help manage and run your business. Using a CRM home base keeps everything really centrally organized. It provides an easy workflow for you, your staff, and your customers, and it helps improve your customer experience as well, improving your business efficiency. And the last and final reason why a CRM is critical is organization, which pretty much wraps up everything that we've talked about. This is probably the overarching benefit of using a CRM, and it's organization. You can't run a business without an effective organization strategy in place and having something where you can effectively organize your customer interactions. Having a tool that makes organization easier, and really it just improves your quality of life in terms of your customer experience, and of course, in terms of your business and your employees' quality of life as well. Businesses run way smoother, employees are a lot less stressed, and customers are well tended to. And of course, this is going to result in not only customer retention, but as well as sales increases. It may be a little daunting to, effectively find and research a CRM that works right for your business, but you won't regret actually taking that step and implementing a CRM into your business. In fact, Starfish actually has our own CRM, which we actually call Star Leads, and it is a great tool that actually implements everything that we've talked about in this video in one single hub. Star Leads is super easy to use, it's very user-friendly, and it does help you keep track of all your online marketing and advertising in one place, which is super critical when it comes to running your business and your online campaigns, which we talk about a lot in these videos, is how to effectively run marketing campaigns and also effectively grow your business online. And actually, the Star Leads CRM can dramatically help you do all of those things. If you would like to learn more about Star Leads and everything that it could provide for your business and all of the things that it could actually do to help you grow your business online, please check out the link in the description below. And like always, I hope you've really enjoyed this episode of Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. And if you guys have anything that you would like us to discuss, or to cover in these videos, please let us know. And like always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our videos to stay up to date with our content. And we look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.